Kalagay dito malapit lang.
Call them guys because the toaster is not working.
Cancel order ko na lang. Yan nag-wide third bro. Ganda ng bulaklak ko. Ano ba ito? Laban ko. Note from customer, I always tip after I receive my order. I always tip ha. Sabi mo yan ha.
Hello?
Hi Uber.
Yeah, how about you, man?
Thank you. Ay, may na-receive akong tip. Tip saan to? It's $3. Thank you. Oh. Yun, may na-receive tayo. Tim Hortons, Fraser Highway. Tara, accept natin. $6, 6 kilometers. Accept. Malapit na tayo, nandiyan na lang sa harapan ng Tim Hortons. Naka-pick up na rin ako dati dito. My bad. Let's go, samahan niyo ko. Unang order natin para kay Nat. Nat S. Meron siyang 3 items. This for Nat?
Yes, please.
Okay.
This is the one.
Okay, thank you. Wala kasing label. Hindi yan nalagyan. Hingihan ko ba? Okay na yun? Pwede na yan, sabi nga. Pero, yan, dapat may label. Para sigurado ko lang na. Tsaka ito. Sorry napansin ko nung last video, hindi ko pala nasasara to para isil. So, kailangan natin isil yan lagi. Takpan na lang natin yung logo. Para kasi yung init niya ng pagkain. So, sorry naman sa last video natin, hindi ko sinasara. Tara! Next order natin. Oh, first order pala. Oh, may plus pang isa. Oh, accept natin yan. Sige. Sa Subway, accept. $7, 6 kilometers. Accept. Saan ang Subway? Kalagay dito malapit lang. Sa kabila. Nasaan ang Subway? Hindi ko pa pala na-complete yung last order natin. So yeah, let's go pick upin natin yung Subway naman. So dalawang order na tayo. Saan ang pasukan ito? Gilid. Oh, sarado. 24 hours naman. Ito sa kabila. Morning. I have a pickup for Sahil.
Just give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Because my this one is not working. I'll just make it in the microwave.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you call them guys because the toaster is not working. They want toasted sandwich, but today I can't toast it.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe they cancel it or maybe they want something.
So sira daw yung machine nila. Message natin yung customer. Thanks. Sayang, magkasunod sanang order. Wait. Pero, teka, try nga natin kung pwedeng i-cancel. Trip support. Restaurant close na lang. Yun na lang para mas mabilis. Cancel it already. Yeah, thank you. Anyways, things like that, wala tayong gagawa. So tara, balik tayo sa unang order. Punta tayo kay Sahi. Kay Nat S pala. 2 minutes from here. Malapit lang. $188. Hanapin natin yung $188. Ayun, problema ko dito kasi pagka hindi mo alam yung lugar. Nagmamadali na kasi, hindi ko pa alam kung paano ko ilalagay doon na, yun nga, sira yung ano niya. So kinancel, order ko na lang. Kawawa din tong first order natin, nag-aantay din to. So yeah, let's move on, go to the next one. Let's go.
Turn right to stay on 69 Avenue, then drop off on the right. Naga says, leave a door.
Dito na tayo. Take a photo. First order done. Tara. Alis na tayo kasi sa inyong oras. Medyo bago pa lang tayo dito sa Uber So, at marami pa talaga hindi alam dito. So yung mga ganong situations, I'm not sure kung tama yung ginawa ko. Pero kailangan ko nang gawin yun kaysa mas stuck ako dun sa lugar na yun. Kasi oras ang kalaban natin dito Kung mayroon may nakakaalam dyan, situation na yun, ano ba dapat yung ginawa ko? Or kung tama ba yung ginawa ko or mali. Dito na tayo sa tambayan na isa. Dito tayo magabang. Tayo siguro mga 10-15 minutes dito. Kung wala, punta na tayo malapit dun sa work ko. Pero usually naman meron dito mga Starbucks ganun. Dito ba tayo? Park. Ayusin ko lang yung camera. Parang alanganin Uy, yan na. $5 Starbucks 4 kilometers. Yeah, accept natin. Order number 2.5 para kay Malika. Si Malika, ay natatandaan ko yung pangalan na to. Malika.
Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. What is going on?
Turn left on 176A Street, then pick up.
Thank you. Morning. I have one for Malika.
Yes, those are these ones here.
Okay, I have 5 items.
Both of them. Yeah,
It's what?
it's both those.
Okay, thank you.
Of course, you have a great day.
Thanks, you too. So I have 2 bags, verify order. pick up. Para kay Malika, bayad. Oh, naka-drop off na ako dito dati. I think 6 minutes. Let's go.
Shine fighting for my soul's sake, whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake, Luke's trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action. And you start to see it all like a dream
Pasok na tayo.
Was it obvious? Would it ever find my way?
Ito ng wide turn, bro.
Was it all fate? Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and that's on my soul. Time's moving, I've been losing track of where I've been. Had to quiet all the voices living in my head. I see the riches of the world, I'm not impressed. Know that I'm far from perfect, but trying my best.
Okay, dalawang Starbucks. Confirm lang natin address. Okay, address confirm. Instructions. Leave what tour. Okay. Ganda ng bibulaklak ko. Ano ba ito? Lavender. Take picture natin. Ito, ganda ng may bubuyog pa. Okay, delivered. Done. Okay. Order number 2 done. 8:32 na. So as usual, gawin natin, lumapit na tayo sa trabaho kasi ang start ng full-time job ko is 9:30. Pwede pa naman tayo makakuha ng isa, pero dapat doon tayo malapit sa trabaho. So tara, let's go. Ayun, sakto. McDonald's, papuntang saan to? Cloverdale? Sure, yeah. $5, 5 kilometers. Pwede pa.
Enter your pickup at McDonald's Pacific Highway.
Yun, sakto. Order number 3. Thank you, Uber. Dito na tayo. Pick up natin McDonald's para kay Daniel or Daniel, 6 items. Good morning. Hi, pick up. Thank you. Nandun na, naka-ready na sa goods. Okay. Stop 7 minutes from here. Uy, may instruction siya. I always tip after I receive my order. Buzzer code is, then come to third floor apartment 3. Okay. I always tip, ha? Sabi mo yan, ha? I always tip. Thank you. Order number 3.5. Para kay Daniel or Daniel na nagtitip, na always tipping. Let's go. Parang lugar ng mga matanda na. Parang home for the aged. Building na to. So, yeah, park tayo dito. Hindi na tayo kahit venue. That's always send tip. Tayo natin yung bag. Confirm natin address. Okay. Confirm address. Meet at door. Okay, buzz in natin yung code niya.
Hello?
Hi, Uber.
Yeah, I'll buzz you in.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Morning.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Yeah. Here's
Thank
your
you very
order.
much.
Thanks.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Parang di yata ako binayaran nung ano, yung kanina cancel order. Pero dapat babayaran ako dyan. Ay, mayroon na receive akong tip. Tip saan to? Yung sa Tim Hortons, $3. Thank you. Remember yung nakaraan may sarado yung store sa NW. Kahit pa paano binayaran ako kasi pinuntahan ko yung lugar eh. So 8:53 na, malapit nang mag-start yung work. Dito na lang po tayo. So total natin today, this morning, kasaming tip, kasi may nag-tip kanina, is $20. Okay na yan. Pwede na yan. May panggas na tayo. Sabi ko. So hanggang dito na lang po ulit tayo ha. Salamat po ulit sa panonood, sa pagsama sa akin. Sana po dumami pa yung subscribers natin. Paki-like and share po. Sana hindi na po tayo mabawasan, lalo pa po tayo madagdagan. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you. Bye.